In round 10, start with 1 chain stitch. Then work set of 9 single crochets, 1 increase for 4 times. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Work 9 single crochets. Mark the first single crochet. And then continue to work in more single crochets in the same way. Three single crochets are done. Please finish the rest 6 single crochets by yourself. 9 single crochets are done. In the next stitch, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Nine single crochets and 1 increase are finished once it is done. The second set, work 9 single crochets and 1 increase in turn. Three single crochets are done. Please finish the rest 6 single crochets by yourself. Nine single crochets are done. In the next stitch, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. We have demonstrated 2 sets. Please finish the rest 2 sets by yourself. Work 9 single crochets and 1 increase as 1 set. Four sets are done. Remove the marker and work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 10 is done. The stitches for rounds 11 to 14 are the same. In round 11, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work 44 single crochets. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Then work 44 single crochets. Mark the first single crochet. And then continue to work some crochets in the same way. Finish 44 single crochets in total in this round. Four single crochets are done. Please finish the rest 40 single crochets by yourself. Finish 44 single crochets in total in this round. 44 single crochets are done. Remove the marker and work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 11 is done. The stitches for rounds 12 to 14 are the same as those of round 11. Work 1 chain stitch, 44 single crochets, and 1 slip stitch for each round. Please finish rounds 12 to 14 by yourself. Rounds 12 to 14 are completed. In round 15, start with 1 chain stitch. Then work set of 10 single crochets, 1 increase for 4 times. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work one chain stitch first. Then work 10 single crochets and 1 increase as one set. Remember to mark the first single crochet. For single crochets are done, please finish 6 more single crochets by yourself. 10 single crochets are done. In the next stage, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stage. One set is done. The second set, work 10 single crochets and 1 increase. For single crochets are done, please finish 6 more single crochets by yourself. 10 single crochets are done. Next, work 1 increase. We have demonstrated 2 sets. Please finish the rest of 2 sets by yourself. Work 10 single crochets and 1 increase as one set. Four sets are done. Remove the marker and work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 15 is done. The stitches for rounds 16 to 19 are the same. In round 16, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work 48 single crochets. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Then work 48 single crochets. Remember to mark the first single crochet. For single crochets are done, please finish the rest of 44 single crochets by yourself. For the 48 single crochets are done. Remove the marker and work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 16 is done. The stitches for rounds 17 to 19 are the same as those for round 16. Work 1 chain stitch, 48 single crochets, and 1 slip stitch for each round. Please finish rounds 17 to 19 by yourself. Rounds 17 to 19 are completed. In round 20, work 3 chain stitches first. Then turn the fabric and we'll work 48 double crochets through the front loops only. The loop close to us is a front loop. Yarn over the hook, insert hook into the front loop of the first stitch. Yarn under the hook and pull up loop through the stitch. There are 3 loops on the hook now. Yarn over the hook and pull the yarn through the first loops on the hook. Yarn over the hook again and pull through the remaining 2 loops. 1 double crochet is done. Double crochet. Yarn around the hook. Insert hook into the stitch. Hook the yarn and pull up loop. There are 3 loops on the hook. Yarn around the hook. Pull through the first 2 loops on hook. There are 2 loops left on the hook now. Yarn around the hook. Pull through the remaining 2 loops on hook. That's a double crochet. Place a marker in the first double crochet. Yarn over the hook. Insert hook into the front loop of the leg stitch. Yarn under the hook and pull up loop through the stitch. There are 3 loops on the hook now. Yarn over the hook and pull the yarn through the first loops on the hook. Yarn over the hook again and pull through the remaining 2 loops on the hook. The second double crochet is done. Yarn over the hook, insert hook into the front loop of the next stitch. Yarn under the hook and pull up loop. There are 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over the hook and pull through the first loops on the hook. Yarn over the hook again and pull through the remaining 2 loops on the hook. The third double crochet is done. Please continue to work double crochets through front loops only in the same way. Finish 48 double crochets in total in this round. "48 double crochets are done. Remove the marker and work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 20 is done. Break yarn, leaving a long yarn tail. Pull the yarn tail out. Thread the needle with the yarn tail. Conceal the yarn tail inside the fabric in this way. Cut off excess end. Turn the last round down and make some adjustments. One flower pot is completed. You should make 3 flower pots in total. Please finish the other 2 flower pots in the same way by yourself.